Sign in to your Google account and open Google Drive. This is where you can store and manage files. Create a new folder, click on New, top left corner. Select Folder and give it a relevant name. Hit Create to organize your files properly. Make the folder public, right-click on the newly created folder. Select Share from the options. Click Change to anyone with the link, so anyone can view the contents. Copy the folder link if needed. Upload files to the folder. Open the folder you just created. Click New and File Upload and select your files. Wait for the upload to complete. Download the uploaded files. Open the sample Excel sheet and refer to all the Read Me points, as it contains crucial instructions. Basic Details contains product index, unique ID for each product. Designer name, brand name identifies the designer or brand. Product category and subcategory defines where the product fits. Meta title and meta keywords helps in SEO for online visibility. Description, product details and specification. Product sizes. Likely used for size variations of jewellery designs, include length, volume, physical dimensions of each product, file type and file link, the type of CAD file, e.g. STL, 3DM, and its drive link. Price is the cost of the design. Multiple size fields, size 1, quantity 1, shape 1, etc. Stores different sizes, quantities and shapes of diamonds. In Google Drive, right-click on the image and copy image address. Paste the copied image address in the respective column. Double-check to ensure the links work properly. Go to D4j.in, navigate to the bulk creation option and upload the prepared Excel file.